The CDC released long-awaited guidelines for reopening K through 12 schools today. A new color-coded chart divides reopening options into 4 zones. Blue zones have low transmission and are open for full in-person learning. Yellow is moderate transmission, but those schools can also stay open. Orange means substantial transmission, and schools should switch to hybrid learning and reduce attendance. And red means middle and high schools should switch to virtual learning if there's no regular testing. If testing is done, all schools should use a hybrid model. It's important to mention the guidance does not include the rate of community spread that determines who qualifies for each zone. Joe?